Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I went from $15,000 a month in bills to $700 a month, and I started traveling the world making more money than I've ever made in my life, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I did it. Copy my system. Smash the like button, click the notification bell if you love my videos to get all my videos, and subscribe right now. And at the end of the video I'm going to give you a free bonus, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start making $1,000 plus more cash every single day. Let's get started. Now, towards the end of this video, that's why you need to watch the whole video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I left the United States of America on March 8th, 2017, and I have not been back, and it is November 2020. I've been to 23 different countries, and I've lived making all of my money online, and I'm going to show you exactly how to copy my system, so keep watching. Oh, and before I get into my whole system on how to minimalize your life, it's called minimalization. All of the young millennials who are making millions of dollars on the internet and in real estate and the stock market and trading cryptocurrency, guys, they all live very cheap. Forget all the big houses and the cars and the Rolex watches and all that crap. You don't need it. I'm telling you what you need. You need to live a peaceful, stress-free, no drama-free life. Freedom is number one. Health is number two. Wealth is number three. So right now I want you to make a list of every single bill you have every single month. Your mortgage, your car payments, your insurance payments, your credit card payments, your electric, your water, your bills, even your garbage bill. I want you to make a list of those right now and put exactly how much you have to pay every month for each one of those bills. I'm about to blow your mind. Now, the next thing I want you to do, next to that list, each item, I want you to put a red mark. Take a red pencil, a red marker, something, and I want you to put a check mark in red next to the bill you absolutely hate paying. If you hate paying your credit card bill, your car payment, your insurance payment, your mortgage payment, whatever it is, okay, your child support, right? I mean, I hate it. I hate paying it, right? But the point is, you don't have to pay it anymore if you follow what I say and you copy my system. You can get rid of that bill and that expense today, and I will show you exactly how to do it, and just throw it in the garbage. You don't need to pay it anymore. Yeah, so, the whole minimalization thing, this is one of the hottest, trendiest things going on in the world right now, especially with millennials. And a lot of people send comments and say, James, why are you always in a shirt where you're never wearing a shirt, or you're wearing a shirt and it's unbuttoned? I'm in Mexico. I'm in the Caribbean. It's freaking hot out, man. It's 12 months of summer here. I love it. I'm right on the beach. I got a rooftop pool. It's 84, 85 degrees. It's in November 20th. So yeah, it's about just cutting things out of your life you do not need, and please believe me, you don't need them. Let me give you an example. I used to have a $140,000 Mercedes-Benz S63 V8 bi-turbo car. It was a sedan, had 4 seats, it had every option available, $140,000. I had beautiful chrome wheels on it, like 32-inch chrome wheels. They cost me about $7,000. The tires cost me about another $3,000. I had $8,000 just in chrome wheels and tires on the car because I wanted to look cool, right? And then one day I just woke up and I said, you know what? I don't need this car. It's too much. What am I doing with it? I'm going to sell it, take that money, I'm going to put it into my internet business and my real estate business, and I'm going to keep buying more investments with that cash. And that's exactly what I did. In one day, I got rid of it. In one day. So I got about $100,000 for it, like $98,000. And then I took that money, and I couldn't believe I had all this cash, $98,000, because I owned it. I didn't pay a car loan. I paid cash for it, right? Because I was making a lot of money. So I took that $98,000. I put about 30 grand into my internet business, and then I put about how much was it? About 60 grand into my real estate business. I bought a property, I rented it out. It was a two-family house, and I started making about $2,500, more than that, about $3,500 a month on the property. And the $30,000 I put into my internet business with social media marketing. I started slowly, but I started building that up to about $1,000 a day using ads. In about 3 months, I got my 30 grand back, and now I'm just making a profit every single month. I'm at about a $300 370% profit a month. If you're not making 360% a month, you better comment below and say, James, I'm interested. I want to get on a live call. Show me how to make 360% on my money. That's exactly what I'll do. I'm not going to send you a video course. I'm not going to ask you to click a link in the description and go buy some videos that you're going to watch. You're never going to do anything with. Why don't you get on the phone live with me, right? Hey, let's go, baby. I'll show you how to make money in 1 hour. 1 hour, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. Internet, real estate, cryptocurrency, okay? Drop shipping, e-commerce. Guys, there's 6-7 different ways you can make money online, and you can start today. So let me keep going with my story, but comment below, smash the like button, subscribe, but keep watching, keep listening. I've got millions and millions and millions, tens and hundreds of millions of dollars of information, training, and knowledge right here in this brain, because I've done so much in my life to make money. Let's keep going. So the other thing you want to consider is this, okay? Let me give you an example. You want just get rid of stuff you don't need. So what I did one day is I went through a crazy divorce, about a $1.7 million divorce. I lost almost everything. Gave away properties. I gave away cars to my wife. I just gave her whatever she wanted to end it, because the lawyers were they're scumbags. They're corrupt. The judges are corrupt. The divorce industry in the USA is one of the worst corrupt scumbag businesses in the world. All they want is your money. They don't give a shit about you or the kids. Now, here's the thing. After my divorce, I downsized, I minimalized, I got rid of everything. I had a little condominium downtown Atlanta, and I just put some furniture in there with my computers and my TVs and just stuff I needed to make money, right? And I went to work. I worked all morning, all day, all night. I slept maybe 5-6 hours a night, got up, boom, went right to work. Because I wanted to change the way that I was doing things, and I pushed everything on the internet, okay? So I started selling products all over the internet, right? And I started doing what all these younger guys were doing. I'm watching them make millions, 25, 28, 30-year-olds, and I'm seeing them driving around these Lamborghinis, and all that bullshit. Half of it was true, but I finally met somebody who absolutely it was true. I ended up selling everything. Listen to this. In 1 week, I sold everything in my apartment. Everything, furniture, I sold everything. I just kept my clothes, my computers, my phone to make money. I jumped on a plane, Delta, and I flew to the country of Singapore. Literally, it took me 2 days to get there. And I did a live seminar in Singapore teaching people how to make money online and also invest their money into real estate, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and you're not going to believe what happened. Your mouth is going to drop. You're going to want to comment below and say, James, hook me up right now. Get me on a live call with you, because you won't believe how much money I made in 1 week and 3 days at my first live seminar in Singapore, halfway across the world. So keep watching. So my businesses online, offline, making money on the internet, selling products, mentoring, coaching, consulting, e-commerce, and then buying and selling real estate, flipping houses. But the biggest money is when you rent them out, right? The biggest money in real estate, the richest people in real estate own the real estate. They buy it, or they lease it, or they rent it, and then they rent it out. And then they make cash flow every month. Those are the richest people in real estate, okay? The richest people on the internet have cash coming in every day. In other words, look at your last bank statement. Take the last 3 months of your bank statement. And I know it's November 2020. This was a totally screwed up shit hell year because of the coronavirus. I understand. But no excuses. We still made money this year. In fact, we're having one of the best years we've ever had, because everybody was at home under quarantine buying stuff online, right? Does that make sense? So what you want to do right now is check out your last 6 months, last 3 months, last 12 months of your bank statement. And I want you to look at all the withdrawals. Every time you used your ATM card, every time you swiped it, every time you bought something, gas, food, paid your bills, look at all the withdrawals. You probably have 20, 30, 40, 50 withdrawals every month or more. Now look at your deposits. How many deposits do you have in your account every month? How many deposits? 1, 2, 3, 4? Most people have 2, maybe 3, if they're lucky, 4. That's why people are broke. That's why people struggle. They have more withdrawals than deposits. Now let's talk about the flip side of that coin. What if I could teach you how to have 30, 40, 50 deposits a month? $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. Okay, and it just keeps going, and you got 40, 50, 60, 70, 100 deposits every month, adding up to $35, $40, $50,000 a month, and your withdrawals are only maybe 5 or 6 or 7, instead of what every other struggling person in the USA, Canada, all over the world does, because 95% of people in the world don't know how to get hundreds and hundreds and thousands of deposits in their bank account every day. You can do it right online, selling products, mentoring people, and helping them change their lives, just like I'm helping you. So instead of having 50 withdrawals, you want 50 deposits. How about a day? How about I show you how to get 50 deposits every day of just $10? That's $500 a day, selling a $10 product. How about a $1 product? How about I show you how to get 1,000 deposits in one day of a $1 product? That's $1,000 a day. Comment below and say, James, send me your email. Send me your WhatsApp number. Send me your information. I will contact you. I will get you on the phone. I will show you how to get thousands and thousands of deposits coming in daily, weekly, monthly. Then you can make a lot of money. Finally get ahead. How about $270,000 in one weekend? Let's keep talking, guys. Keep watching. It's all about making money on this video. All about changing your mindset to get deposits. I want 1,000 deposits a day of $1,000. I want to make $100,000 a day. What about you?